Hello, Shaggi. How are you?
I'm fine. Yes, so.
Oh, yeah, hit.
What would you do if your doctor tells you that your girlfriend has got a clitoris?
The clitoris.
Yes, sir.
Okay, where she get clitoris? God forbid you. Don't allow my girlfriend to have a clitoris. That's a bad thing now. I will carry her go hospital. May they go do operation. Oh yeah, may they come out.
What do you think might have caused it?
Now different thing they cost it. Oh yeah, maybe whether she don't shop carbohydrate and carbon dioxide when she is small.
Brodashaggi, your reply is kind of different from every other person we've asked. Some other people said they would take them to church for prayers.
They fleet big on for their head. Carry them go church, go do it. Okay, if your car spoil now church go carry and go. God now mechanical thing. I beg as I did like this, I know one verse. Oh yeah, because you go see one. A conditional repertoire is a relaxation leisure time. Oh yeah. Thank you.